Hi, welcome to Nikki's Veets. And perhaps the most important lesson you will ever have about the use of PowerPoint. The single most important feature in PowerPoint is the B key. And if some of you are wondering what happens when you press the B key in show mode, if you select B, you blank the screen. And that makes the audience look at you. Because right now, I am the sexiest thing on your television. Whereas if I put the picture back up, well, it's debatable. So, I'm one of the world's leading PowerPoint gurus, and I'm telling you the most important feature is the ability to turn PowerPoint off. And it's because PowerPoint should be seen as a way of controlling and managing the audience's attention. What are they looking at? What are they listening to? Therefore, what are they thinking about and what are they going to remember? And your ability as a presenter to control that attention defines whether or not you're a good presenter or not. And so, the B key is the most important feature in PowerPoint. The ability to blank the screen, make the audience look at you. Thanks for watching. Bye.